Hey everyone, today I want to show you a problem that I'm having. Our front door lock is stuck. So I just locked my door, obviously. It's locked. Try and unlock it though. I'm going to put my key in here and it doesn't work. It stays completely stuck. I mean, I can try and wrestle it, but it is completely stuck there. So I've got my door unlocked here. I'll show you I'll put the key in here. And even then, even when the door is open, it is not turning at all. So obviously, again, it can lock. So what we're gonna try and do, I went online and I bought some of this. It's Hillman powdered graphite lubricant. And basically all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna spray a couple puffs into our lock there and onto our key, and hoping that this will help open it up a little bit and not be so stuck. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna get our graphite lubricant here. We're gonna put it up to the lock. We're gonna give a couple sprays. You can kind of see there's some shiny graphite floating around in the air. So now I'm just gonna put a little on the key as well. All right, so now for the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and insert our key. First time we tried it, didn't work. I had to kind of play with it, jiggle it a little bit. But let's lock it again. You can see it's locked. So what I just did another couple puffs in there and kind of just jiggled it, and now it seems to be working fine. Got it loose and it seems to be working great now. So we'll just give it one more cracks. So again, seems to be working okay. So obviously a very much cheaper fix, a couple bucks, opposed to having to replace the whole lock. So I'm hoping this is helpful for you as well on your home repair fix. Please let us know in the comments or questions below. And remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.